The vision for Union Bank and Trust to actually move in this space was really breathe new life into this building in such a way that we could give back to the community. I'm Carol Ash, and I'm the Vice President of Marketing for Union Bank and Trust. For Union Bank and Trust to actually move in this space, it was an opportunity to take such an iconic leap and move our branch services and really make it vibrant for the Lincoln downtown area. We also brought in a new coffee vendor who's also a client of ours. Really create an environment that's warm and welcoming. In addition to that, there's a lot of entrepreneurs that are developing new businesses, and we wanted to be able to support them in a place that they would feel comfortable to come into. And we also have the opportunity to be located down here in a retail space, which we're calling the pop-up business area.
My name is Michael Penn. I'm an architect and creative director at Sinclair Hilly Architects here in Lincoln. This building was somewhat unusual because of its significance, if you will, to downtown Lincoln and the architectural community, because it was done by I.M. Pei, New York architect. Little extra challenge here was to be respectful of the building and really put Union Bank's own stamp on the lobby without destroying the innate character of the shell of the building. No, relative to technology, from an architect's point of view, in the digital age, it's just all the more complex. It just all has to work and be coordinated, so everything in the end user can have something simple to use that just works. Appreciate Nano Nation being part of the project and making that happen.
Union Bank and Trust vision for this space, liveliness, excitement in the space. And one way of doing that, we provided digital screens in different areas. We worked with Nano Nation to do that. This screen that's sitting right in an area where a lot of people will be coming in, which we called the Wow Wall, but it's really a welcome to the whole Union Bank place. And then have a visual digital screen that is promoting our pop-up business as well as our coffee shop. And then also have screens internally that would promote banking services. So as we look at each screen, there's a purpose for each one of them, but we also worked with Nano Nation to help us with our content development. It was important to really incorporate visual interest, or what I call flow, throughout this space as in a way that it would be very complementary to everything that's happening in this destination, basically. As we looked at where the screens were being placed, we added a couple screens that were closer to more of our teller stands, so that when we did have customers in the teller area, that they would actually see some types of promotions. But really what's really cool is on 13th Street, we have a screen that's facing 13th Street, and then we also have a screen that's a community screen that faces P Street. Is a huge screen. It's a beautiful screen, and while we'll put some content on there that is bank related, it's really intended to be a give back to the community. The movement and flow that we can create through the space with the screens, it's phenomenal, and we're really excited about that. The team was wonderful to work with. I get involved as a marketing person and looking where the screens are going to be, what type of content's going to be put on those screens. And that the project manager has been working right alongside the architects and the construction team. The screens are going to be in the right space or the right place, so that that the content you're developing out is actually going to be seen in the way you intend it to be. That was phenomenal. You couldn't be more thrilled that that vision had turned into what it is today.